Alright, y'all, we finna go ahead and get straight into EBK MadMax. Y'all, we got another one, man. That boy going crazy, y'all. It's called Nightingale. What? Niggas Janky? Hold on now. Oh, this on EBK J-Bo page too, y'all. So, this gotta be recent. 1 month ago. Okay. Let me see what that boy MadMax on, y'all. Let me go ahead and get straight into it, y'all. Let me know how y'all feeling about this in the chat, gang. Okay. That boy MadMax, he been consistent in the studio. Isaac? With a Donnie? Hold on now. W Isaac, y'all. Which one though?
Man, damn, niggas call my phone like you got them online. Like hell no, but I ain't even in stock. They like just keep it real, buddy. You don't gotta play with somebody already told me. Nightingale, niggas Janky.
Thank you, Isaac.
Get a drop. I might get up on my phone, let you sound like a cop. He like it's good, you just better stay inside. I'm like, you better hush your mouth before I spend another time, man. That nigga dead, I'm mad that I ain't get him first. They put head in the dirt, and I couldn't even get a shirt. Fucked up, I was just trying to support. Better hush your mouth before I spend another time, man. That nigga dead, I'm mad that I ain't get him first. They put head in the dirt, and I couldn't even get a shirt.
Damn, he said that nigga. I can't say it because YouTube, but he said I'm mad I couldn't get him first. God damn, nigga.
Fucked up, I was just trying to support her. That fully had them fully niggas running out the court. The homie called me like, buddy,
that fully had them niggas. Oh shit, these niggas telling on me.
I'm like, fuck, I just did, but we can go and spin again. Man, a couple blocks, the homie like 30 years. That gun jammed on wood, bro, he cocked it back and shot again. Now we fucking with them niggas. I'm like, buddy, did you see me? He like, hell yeah, he was looking like a demon. They look up at your hand, buddy, why the fuck you bleeding? I'm like, I'm all good, this light caught onto my finger. The other homie called me like, you pop with these wood. I just started laughing, he like, man, you a fool. Chopped it up and told him, I'ma call you in a minute. With this sleep, woke up and did the same shit again. Man, damn, niggas call my phone like you.
I ain't gonna lie, one thing about these niggas, y'all, they always got that gang with them. Like, that's hard.
Like, hell no, but I ain't even in stock. Like, just keep it real, buddy. You don't gotta play with somebody already told me. Nightingale, niggas Janky. But it's good, just let me know, get a drop.
How y'all feeling about this chat?
I might get up on my phone, let you sound like a cop. He like it's good, you just better stay inside. I'm like, you better hush your mouth before I spend another time, man. Damn, niggas call my phone like you popped them online. Like, hell no, but I ain't even in stock. They ain't like, just keep it real, buddy. You don't gotta play me, somebody already told me. Nightingale, niggas Janky. But it's good, just let me know, get a drop. I'm like, get up on my phone, let you sound like a cop. He like it's good, you just better stay inside. I'm like, you better hush your mouth before I spend another time, man.
Dang, they be saying F a nigga set for real in these videos, y'all. Like, these niggas standing on business, bruh. They keep throwing the, like, whatever set it is, they doing it, bruh. Like, damn. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling about that chat. Fire emoji, yeah, that shit was hard though, no cap. What he was saying in that bit, it was just like, sheesh. I'll probably give it like, I'll probably give it like an 8 out of 10, 7.5, 8. One of them, y'all. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, gang. Go ahead, sub up.